Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to find internship on Indeed.com. It's actually really easy and simple. So you don't come and write internship right here. What you need to do right here in the homepage, just search for what job or what field you want to enter. Let's say you want to enter accounting, right? Just come and write accounting or accountant, right? Accountant. Let's leave this blank. Let's do it worldwide, anywhere in the world, and go ahead and click search, okay? Now, once this loads up, what you want to do here in job type, okay, you want to go ahead and choose the option that says internship and just click on update. Okay, once you do this, it will only show you internships. For example, this is a finance internal auditor internship. Right here, you can apply for this. This is the location. It is Naples, Florida. So you can go ahead and see these. And if you want a certain pay, maybe you can go ahead and select a salary. But usually, internships don't usually pay. Maybe they'll give you a small stipend. And you can compare these with your skills, whatever skills you have. And if you actually meet the required skill set, here you can see the full job description. If you would like to apply for this, just come here and click on apply now. It will open up in a new page. You can also go ahead and see the other ones. Really easy and simple. You can also add your education level. For example, let's go ahead and add, let's say you had a bachelor's degree. You can add that as well. If you have a license, accounting license, maybe you're a certified CPA, you can add that as well, update. And then you will see relevant jobs. We have 25 plus. Now let me open up that job listing. I had opened a new tab. All right, guys, so they redirected us to the official website of their career page. If you're interested, I guess you can just come here and say, I am interested. And here you go. You can go ahead and read everything, see if you match the education level and the internship level. Really easy and simple, guys. So I hope this helped.